Welcome back, guys. In today's video, we are making cheese patties. For this recipe, you will need to sieve 2 cups of all-purpose flour into a bowl. Then add 1 tablespoon of curry powder, 1 tablespoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of light brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and combine. After combining all of those ingredients, add 1/3 cup of unsalted butter at room temperature, 2 tablespoons of shortening, and combine. Then add about 1 to 2 cups of water at room temperature to make a smooth dough. Cheese patties are one of my favorite patties to eat. Comment down below and let me know what's your favorite patties. Also, comment down below and let me know what you call these in your language or country. In my country, we call it patties. Some call it meat pies. In other countries, then shape into a ball and place it back into the bowl. Wrap the bowl with a piece of plastic wrap and place it into the refrigerator for 30 to 45 minutes to set. While the dough is resting, you can go ahead and make your dough filling. For the filling, you will need a pack of ground beef, any brand or size of your choice, mixed vegetables, diced hot peppers, diced bell peppers, green onions, and any other spices or vegetables of your choice. Place a non-stick pan on the stove at medium temperature, then add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Allow the oil to heat. Then add the bell peppers, green onions, and the mixed vegetables to the pan and combine. Stir fry for 2 minutes, then add the ground beef. Add powdered seasonings, any of your choice. I used paprika, Creole seasoning, and Maggi. Leave to cook until you can't see any red spots on the beef, or until desired. Be sure to continue the mixing process because you don't want the beef to burn. Allow it to half cook and not all the way, because if it's fully cooked, it will be too dry when it is baked into the dough. So this is the finished product of the beef, and it's time to take the dough out of the refrigerator. After the dough is set, take it out of the refrigerator and remove the plastic wrap. Then place some flour onto a clean surface. Then divide the dough into 2 equal parts. Then roll out the dough using a rolling pin, 1 piece at a time. Just a reminder, super chats, super thanks, memberships, and stickers are active. This is one way to support my channel. After rolling the dough, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of shortening to the dough, then roll it into a ball and repeat the process for the next half of the dough. Then cover with the plastic and place it back into the refrigerator for 8 to 10 minutes. After taking the dough out of the refrigerator, place some flour onto your surface and cut the dough into small pieces of your choice. Divide the dough into equal parts and roll into small balls. Then roll them out one at a time with a rolling pin. If you are still watching this video, it means that you are enjoying it. Be sure to like and leave a comment, and if you haven't subscribed as yet, hit that post notification bell and set it to all so that you don't miss out on my videos when I upload them. I used a small bowl to measure the size of the dough. You can make them into any size you want. It doesn't matter the sizes. I prefer the size that I used with the bowl. After making my shapes, I used a pizza cutter to score around the edges to make it smooth. Then I place 1 tablespoon of the beef into the center of the dough and fold it over, then crease using the tip of a fork. So this is what the patty looks like after shaping. Add the patties to a baking pan, line with parchment paper. This step I also did off camera to save time because I did not want the video to be too long. Then I added 1 egg to a small bowl and egg washed the patties using a brush before placing them into the oven. Bake the patties at 350 Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes. Be sure to check on the patties while they are baking so that they don't burn. When the patties are almost done, take them out of the oven, slice, and then place some cheddar cheese into the middle and place them back into the oven. So, guys, the patties are ready to eat. Let's eat one together. I'm just kidding, but you all can continue to eat with your eyes. This is what it looks like with the cheese. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and tell your friends and loved ones about Willa's Kitchen YouTube channel. I hope to see you all in my next video. Peace.